Samsung's first unpacked event of 2025 might just be its most pivotal yet. Setting the stage for the smartphone market this year, the spotlight was on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung's flagship marvel. Accompanying it were the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus, while the company gave a teaser of the Galaxy S25 Edge, a tribute to its iconic Edge series. But how does this lineup stack up? Let's dive in. One UI 7, fresh looks and smarter AI. Samsung dedicated a solid chunk of its unpacked presentation to One UI 7 and AI enhancements, and the wait was worth it. Delayed from late 2024 to early 2025, this revamped UI delivers a faster, cleaner experience. Notable features include the vertical app drawer, offering a unique way to access apps, and Gemini-powered AI, which takes usability to the next level. The circle-to-search feature can recognize phone numbers, URLs, and emails for quick actions, while multimodal AI lets users search via text, voice, or even images. Imagine asking your phone to pull up pictures from your last vacation or adjust settings using natural voice commands. Galaxy S25 Ultra, a fresh look and feel. The Galaxy S25 Ultra ditches the sharp rectangular design of its predecessors for a sleeker, rounded frame. This change improves both aesthetics and ergonomics, making the larger phone surprisingly comfortable in hand. Despite being 0.4mm thinner, 14G lighter, and featuring a slightly larger display, Samsung has maintained durability and internal specs like battery capacity. The new Gorilla Armor 2 glass enhances outdoor visibility with anti-reflection technology while making the display brighter and more durable. Camera updates, a mixed bag. The Ultra's 50MP ultrawide camera offers better specs on paper, supporting 8K video and promising better low-light performance with its wider aperture. However, real-world comparisons show minimal improvement over its predecessor, with sharper details still favoring the Galaxy S24 Ultra. In terms of photography, the S25 Ultra struggles against rivals like the Xiaomi 14 Ultra or Vivo X100 Ultra, leaving room for improvement. S Pen, a step back? Surprisingly, the S Pen loses Bluetooth functionality and Air actions, making it less versatile. Once the ultimate remote control for the Galaxy lineup, it's now reduced to being just a stylus, a disappointing move for fans. Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy. Every Galaxy S25 model globally is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, offering higher clock speeds and improved AI processing. While this exclusive chipset gives the S25 Ultra a slight edge, Samsung still lags behind competitors offering 16GB or 24GB of RAM globally. The Galaxy S25 Edge, a nostalgic nod. Samsung teased the Galaxy S25 Edge, evoking memories of its legendary Edge lineup. However, this new design feels more like a basic addition than a revolutionary comeback, raising questions about whether it can stand out. The S25 and S25 Plus, a recycled formula. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus offer little innovation over their predecessors. With unchanged displays, batteries, and cameras, they feel like mere placeholders in Samsung's lineup.